Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make those adorable baby trousers called Henry using my pattern. So let's just jump right in. To start, I'm gonna pin 2 front panels on the inside. This pattern has 1 cm seam allowance, and I'm gonna overlook all the raw edges right after. And then I'm going to join the 2 panels together on the sides and inseam. Once you get to the crotch area, just lift the foot up to rotate your project. And then once you're done, make a small cuts on the seam allowance and then overlook the raw edges. Take the waistband pieces and sew them together on the sides. Then I'll fold the waistband in half and attach it to the trousers. I'll start by aligning the side seam together first and then distribute the waistband evenly to the trousers. When you sew the waistband to the trousers, just make sure to leave a small gap, somewhere preferably on the side or on the back, to then insert the elastic inside. And then for the leg cuffs, I'm gonna fold them in half and sew them together on the side. Then I'll fold them in half. So you have your trousers on the right side and the cuff facing the raw edge downwards. I'm gonna put it over the leg and then sew them together. Just bear in mind that the cuffs are gonna be smaller than the trousers, so you just need to stretch the cuff to match the pants. And this is how it's supposed to look like. You got a small gathers on the trousers. And as for the elastic for the babies, of course, the bigger the better. I'm just going to measure roughly slightly smaller than my waistband because we don't want this waistband to be too tight. We want it to be comfortable around the belly, especially with the diapers. And then I'm going to insert the elastic through the gap we just left. And then I'm going to overlap the ends of the elastic and top stitch them together using a zigzag stitch. And then pull on the elastic to just hide it inside. And as the last step, I'm gonna top stitch that opening, that gap we just left. And then overlook the seam allowance all around it.
I also heard that you're not supposed to make the elastic super tight, so it stretches very much, as you can see. And obviously I made them super big because of the diapers and so on.
And that's it. That's your Reggie trousers. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.